Welcome to Prabhu KV's YouTube channel. I am the CEO and Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, veterinary and innovative investment strategies so far, Sonifar and governments. Every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Today is April 9, 2022, Saturday. In this video, we will be discussing about global markets. We will be discussing about the market performance of Dow, Nasdaq, S&P and global currencies and commodities for the week ending April 8, that is yesterday. For this entire week, we will discuss. Dow Jones closed at 34,723 and it remained flat. S&P closed at 4488 and it fell 1%, while Nasdaq 13,711 and fell 4%. Dow remained flat, as you can see. S&P fell 1%, while Nasdaq had a big fall. In fact, it is the weakest of all the three indices, whereas Dow is trying to fight out, and there is a huge fight that is happening between the bulls and bears, particularly in the Dow. It is trying to retain the middle band. Same is the case with the S&P, but Nasdaq is on a significant downtrend. FTSE on the other hand, it is one of the strongest indices across the globe now at this point in time. It closed at 7669 and closed 2% up. FTSE is moving up in all the time frames and it is near the Bollinger Upper band in all the time frames, that is daily, weekly and monthly. It is in a significant uptrend. In fact, last month it formed a bullish booster, a big lower wick it formed in the monthly chart, which is a very significant bullish candle, after which it is moving up. CBOE VIX is now at 21, which definitely is low to medium, but definitely we can say it is volatility is low. As you know, India VIX is hovering around 18 level, which is again low volatility, which is a good sign for the market. Next we will go into currencies. USD INR 75.938. On April 5th, USD INR went down as low as 75.20, and thereafter it started bouncing back, forming a morning star on April 6th, and then now it is hovering at this level. Now the trend is up with sideways. In fact, we had indicated a month or month and a half back that 73.90 is going to hold, and that is holding for quite some time, and we will never see that levels again in our lifetime. Dollar index 99.79. Dollar index is on a significant uptrend. In fact, it touched 100.20, after which it has cooled off. It is above the Bollinger Upper band in weekly, monthly and even in the daily. However, on Friday it formed a first reversal in the daily chart, which is a good sign. If this trend continues, probably we can see some cool off happening in the dollar index in the coming days. Which again, dollar is gaining strength against GBP, Euro and again Japanese yen. That is why we see the strength in dollar index. Japanese yen, in fact, it is now quoting around 124 levels. US 10-year yield. This is again on a significant uptrend. It is now at 2.704, above the Bollinger Upper band in all the time frames. It's going up continuously. So we have to see when the reversal is going to happen. Lastly, we will see Brent and Nymex. Brent at 102.74, Nymex at 97.73. If you recollect, in the month of March, we are told that Brent and Nymex, if it is closing below 103, 105 levels, then probably a downward trend is possible. It touched a level of 130 plus in the month of March due to the Ukraine-Russia crisis. Thereafter, it started cooling. In the daily chart, it has formed a very good reversal from the Bollinger Upper band, which is a good sign. Weekly also it is trending down. Now it is hovering near the middle band in the daily chart, and monthly also we are seeing some sign of reversal, because after all monthly is a sum of daily and weekly. So if this trend continues, we can expect dollar index which Brent and Nymex to touch as low as 90 by the end of this month, which is a good sign for oil importing countries, particularly countries like India. As an Indian, I will be very happy if we see that levels. Thank you very much for watching the video. Disclaimer, as always, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.